Here's a 2015 Honda CR-V. If you see that something's possible, you reach for it. Life's too short to not seize the opportunity. That's why this SUV is ready to grant you exciting and capable power, fulfilling cargo space, and efficiency that takes you from one adventure to the next and onward. EcoAssist and EarthDreams technology are the inspiration. The multi-angle rear-view camera, smart vent side airbags, and Stability Assist keep it all safe and sensible. While Bluetooth, Hill Start Assist, and push-button start keep it smart.
The climate control lets you set the temperature exactly where you want it. Never feel lost again with the navigation system. The heated seats keep you comfortable no matter how cold it is.
Keep moving, keep exploring, keep doing. Get behind the wheel of this CR-V today.
Honda of Chantilly. We're conveniently located just south of Dulles Airport at 4175 Stonecroft Boulevard in Chantilly.